Why did the truck driver bring a ladder to work? To reach new heights in comedy, of course. All right, buckle up, folks. What do you call a truck that tells jokes? A punter. Why did the truck driver always carry a pencil? In case he needed to draw some conclusions. And here's one for the road. What do you get when you cross a truck with a comedian? Afraid of laughs. Truck drivers may haul heavy loads, but they sure know how to lighten the mood. Next time you see a truck on the highway, give them a wave. You never know, they might just toss you a dad joke in return. Keep laughing and keep trucking. See you on the flip side.